Now, I believe it's also important to touch base a little bit on repurposing content for UGC as well. I know that often we touch this topic when we talk about content creators, influencers, right? How they repurpose their content to not get overwhelmed, to not get burned out. But we could do the same in UGC and we often don't think about it. So, whenever you're working with specifically physical products and whenever the brand sends you a product, let's say to do a video about, and if you're planning to have a long-term partnership with that brand, or if you're not even planning, but it may happen, I would recommend taking more videos whenever you start filming. I always usually take lots of different type of videos from different angles, showcasing that product. And it's also because I could use the same footage in the future if they want me to create more videos about that specific product, or if I need to repurpose it, or if I need it for my own content creation whenever I'm showing behind the scenes of UGC or showing what I did in a day, right? So I may use the same content in a different format as well. What you may also be asked to do by a brand is basically create the same video with the same script, just change the hooks of the videos because they may want to test different hooks, etc. And I genuinely love these products because it's less work for me and there's multiple videos, so of course the pay is a little bit higher. And the only thing that you need to work on is basically just filming the body and filming different hooks and then just editing videos including a different hook but keeping the same body. And you may usually be asked to also change the call to action at the end. So basically in the one video it may be save this for your next trip to XYZ, or it could be tag a friend who you would recommend this product to, or something like that, right? So it could also be different at the end. So yes, as a general rule, I would recommend taking as many pictures, videos as you can of the product and saving it either in your laptop or your phone, wherever you prefer, for future use as well. I feel like it's also one of the mistakes that I've done in the past, that I've deleted those videos, deleted those pictures because they were taking my phone storage. And then in the future, I needed to take more videos of the same product. So of course, it was kind of like double work. So just to avoid it, remember that you can store everything and then later on to repurpose it as well.